giveaway na ito fake talaga to. Ito pinaka-fake talaga to. And then after that, how do you stay genuine in a business where you're expected to always put your best foot forward? But first, the first question.
I think yes. Based on my experience, madali mag-spot out kasi it's just like the new rich. They're very loud. They're very loud kasi kailangan talaga nila ng to show that they arrive, parating sila. Andito ako. So, yung mga fake show, socialite, they're very loud. They're very out there. Diba? Lahat, pati yung pantry nila makikita sa social media. Oh, ito guys, yung laman ng pantry ko, na mga important ng goods. Diba? So, lahat yan. So, of course, when it comes to class, I think the less is the more. And in terms of, ano yung second tanong?
How do you stay genuine?
I think it's very important that a person never forgets where they come from. It does not matter what kind of, if you have humble beginning or not, but staying genuine to yourself and knowing where you come from and always appreciate people and being thankful and being respectful. I think that's how you stay genuine. And I think that's also how you stand out. Because class is never loud. Your outfit can be loud, your makeup can be loud, your hair can be like, woo, Latina, whatever. But in the end of the day, the way you carry yourself matters, and classy is never out of fashion. So, that's how I do it.
Ano naman yung mga binabalandra na dead giveaway?
I think definitely even experiencing in pageantry, like you're always with other girls and you see different personalities, and you can definitely always spot the people that are maybe not as genuine as some others. And that goes with showbiz too. Yeah.
Fake socialite. How do you spot a fake socialite on social media?
I think the ones that love spreading gossip and rumors, that are resharing fake news, that they're not even sure on the facts, that's easy to spot. I think people that are attracted to the drama and the, want to involve themselves in the next headline or whatever. Your second question
How do you
was,
stay genuine in the business?
I think just speaking your truth, always being like honest to yourself. I mean, you don't have to prove anything to anyone except as long as you're just yourself and you tell the truth, then I think that's how you can be yourself.
Cindy?
Ang hirap ng tanong sa'kin kasi hindi ko ako ma-social media. If you check my account, talagang work.
Or kahit makita mo lang. Alam mo na
Kaya
nakabalan
siguro
na
tita
to,
is
parang-
asking me anong ginagawa ko. Hindi niya alam na okay, nasa teleserye pala siya. Maybe because tita is not watching TV5. But hindi po talaga ako mas-social media na tao. Not because I hate social media. I have social media. It's just that hindi ako, alam mo yun, wala pa akong TikTok. I only have Instagram. I have Facebook kasi nakakonect sa Instagram ko. But
But can you
hindi
easily
mo ako
spot?
makikita araw-araw na nagpo-post saka nag-scroll. But when I do, I like everything. I like everything. Lahat ng pina-follow ko, I like all the posts.
But can you easily spot as fake socialite, and how?
I wanted to say na yes. Pero kasi hindi naman talaga ako updated sa mga tao na to. Maybe, talagang ito na talaga sila. Pinaghirapan naman nila tong binabalandra nila. Tama ba? Ako, sorry alam natin ng maraming tao na hindi naman totoo yung pinopost nila. Or palagi naman best foot forward tayo, di ba? Only the best. Bakit? Ayaw naman natin na makita tayo ng tao na talo tayo sa buhay, right? Don't post that. Ipopost natin yung maganda. Kapag nanalo tayo, pag maganda tayo, pagkapangit ba tayo, magpo-post tayo. No, right? So when I check social media, alam mo, ako na-inspire ako. Whatever kung fake to o hindi. Na-amaze ako kasi, wow, they have time. Kahit just sa simpleng araw-araw lang, na mag-ayos, na mag-post. And I'm not sure kung etong gamit, marami nagpo-post ng mga branded bags and whatever. I'm not sure kung binigay sa kanila, binili nila. But you know what? It's okay. Kung sa'yo yan, sa'yo yan. Minsan natutuwa lang ko, wow, ang ganda. Ay, may ganun na pala. Yun pala uso ngayon. So ako, wala akong masyadong negative. Kasi Ako nga hindi ko ma-push yung sarili ko. Pinapagalitan ako nila, boss. Hindi ka nagpo-post sa social media. Wala kang post. Hindi ka nakita ng tao. Kung ikaw lang, hindi puro work lang po-post mo. Kung may work ka lang, yun lang ipo-post mo. But people are not, updated sa kung ano ka. Minsan kasi yun daw yung gusto makita ng tao, di ba? Yung kung ano ka lang, na hindi artista, hindi sa work. Ako kasi sabi ko, kila post, hindi ko mapilit yung sarili. But I'm trying. Sometimes I'm trying na, alam mo, mag-selfie lang ako makapag-post lang. Sana alam mo palaging ganon. But homebody kasi ako, I'm with my dogs palagi. Ano ba? Feeling ko mas marami ako importanteng ginagawa more than the social media. Ako lang naman, may mas iba akong priority kaysa sa social media. I can just work out.
And you love the quiet life. I see.
Yeah.
When
So that's
talking
your
to you, you like your peace. Yeah.
Sabi nasa bahay lang po ako kasi ang hirap kong palabasin. But sometimes sabi ko nga, kaya wala po akong boyfriend ngayon 3 years na. Sorry. Sometimes kasi sabi mga kaibigan ko, labas ka. Pagka wala, ngayon wala po akong work. Sabi ko nga, sige, let's try. Let's try hanggat wala po akong work. Gusto ko, pero may times sasabihin ko parang mas importante yung gawin ko to. Parang andito ako sa, yung journey ko ngayon, self-love. Alam mo, meron tayong mga na-experience na nag-heal pa rin tayo. Na I wanted to become better than this. Andun po ako. No drama, but lahat naman tayo may ganun. Meron kasi ibang tao, diba? They just go out para mag-heal. They just go out with friends. Ako, no. Parang dito ako sa journey ngayon na I wanna become successful, quiet. But not naman na wala naman akong makitang tao. My friends still visit me sa bahay. Yun lang, ang hirap kong palabasan. Para magstay na totoo, just be yourself. Ako nga, kilapos, kung hindi ko talaga kaya maging, influencer, mag-post, ang hirap kasi pilitin yung sarili mo pagka hindi ka masaya sa ginagawa mo, diba? I'm okay. Parang ako gusto ko, bawi na lang ako sa mas gusto kong gawin. So, to me, importante na kung ano ka lang, kung ano lang gusto mong i-post, whatever, totoo ba yan o hindi, ikaw na bahala. Basta masaya ka pagka pinost mo yan. And you're proud kapag chinek ng tao kahit hindi ka nag-update palagi. Pag chinek nila yan, sana hindi ka mahiya na, uy, nakita ko sa social media mo na ganyan ka. Oh my God, dapat hindi ko pinost yan. No, I'm like, kapag pinost ko, sige. Parang, ako, sana, alam mo, hindi tayo ma-pressure na i-post yung bago nating bag, yung bago nating makeup, or whatever.
Or pantry.
Yes. But then, ito, sa totoo lang, pero minsan sa totoo lang, nakaka-inspire po yun, yung mga lalo na mga healthy. Ako na, tututunan ko yun sa mga, whatever pantry, yung mga niluluto nila. Yeah, kasi sa isang post mo, hindi mo alam kung sino yung, di ba, na-inspire mo. Baka naman, ito pala yung gamit niya. Okay, ito na din gagamitin ko. So, I think meron ding positive and negative.
Thank you. Kaya ko lang din naman bringing up yun kasi di ba sometimes when you keep seeing your own releases, when everyone keeps telling you you're beautiful, you're perfect, you start believing that. Diba? Kaya mahirap minsan to stay genuine.
Yes.
Especially pag ganito. Anyway, last question.